Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Aderoboye. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process in which you can convert your airtime to cash. Yes, your airtime to cash. Perventure you mistakenly load airtime than what you projected for, or somebody send an airtime to you. So I'm going to tell you the easiest way in which you can actually convert every of your airtime that you do not need, or the one that you mistakenly loaded, you can convert them back to cash, yes, money. So if you are ready, let's go into it. Okay, so you are going to come to this website here. I'm going to provide the link of the website in the description box below. Just click on it and you're going to be brought to this place. All you have to do is you're going to register as a new user. You're going to click on register, and you're going to register. It's very simple. So you just put in your first name, your last name, then your phone number in this format. As you can see this format, so you just put in your phone number in this format, then you select your state. Okay, select your state, and you have, then this is more or less like your name. All right, so I'm gonna put in my name here, put in your email address here, and your referral. So you can just select anyone. Maybe it's a friend that refer you. Like, can choose a friend or anybody that refers you. So you can just select anyone here. Then you put in your password. You type your password and you click on register, and instantly you get access to the platform. So I'm just going to click on back here. So I'm going to log in here. So in just few process, you see everything is being done. All right, so I'm going to log in. So immediately you register, you'll be brought in. So I'm just going to click on log in here, my own way here. All right, so click on login. So immediately you are in. What other thing you can do on this platform, like actually buy credit at a very credit and data at a very low price. So I have a video I've made. I'm going to provide the video. You can just watch that video, and that video will explain to you step by step approach on how you can actually get the credit and the data, of course. All right, so here I am on my dashboard. Before you can actually be able to use every of the services provided by this website, you must be a standard user. You must not be a free user. And to be a standard user, all you have to pay is just 100 naira once, and that is all. 100 naira once, and that is all. So immediately you fund your wallet with any amount, so they just deduct 100 naira from it, and that is all. So I'm going to provide a video which you're going to watch, and that video I've already explained how you can actually fund your wallet. So please watch it. All right, so this video I'm just going to walk you through how you can actually convert your airtime to cash. Just come straight to the um to the dashboard here and click on airtime to cash. Actually, you can do this process on your mobile phone too. Yes, you can do it on your mobile phone. It's just the same process. All right, to get started, you just read all this airtime to cash. Okay, then these are you're going to do. The first step is to fill the form below. You fill the form, and the minimum amount is 500 naira, while the maximum is 5,000 naira, except from Glo, which the maximum is 1,000 naira. The reason why I like this thing, because MTN is widely used all over Nigeria, and most of your clients, or you yourself, might be MTN user. So you have this opportunity of converting a maximum of 5,000 naira airtime to cash. Okay, so what you have to do is then you have to send a pin and you load it. So if you want to send a pin, you have to load it on your MTN sim. So please, there are some plan on MTN that does not support you transferring. Example is like this MTN Yafun Yafun there. But if you are on MTN Pulse and the rest, that does not give you extra data, extra airtime whenever you load airtime, so you are good to go. So all right, then you can send the airtime now. Immediately you load it on your phone, you should be able to send it to the number that this platform is going to provide for you within 20 minutes. So immediately it's exceed 20 minutes, that order will be automatically cancelled. And to transfer on MTN, these are the pin you're going to use, but I think there's a mistake here. All right, so you're going to come to MTN. I'll provide this network, I'll provide this website there, the link in description box below. Just come to this place. So to actually change your default pin, all you have to do is to type *777 default pin, that is 000, that is 4 times 0 times your new pin times your new pin. So when you just send it, your pin will be automatically changed. And to transfer airtime, all you have to do is *777 the number that this website is going to provide for you. So the number that is going to provide for you, I'm going to walk you through that process. Then star the amount you want to send. Let's say you want to send like 5,000 naira, then start the pin you have changed. You have changed your pin here. So to the pin, then you click on hash, and then you send. Immediately you send, this website is going to receive it automatically. Okay, so this is for airtime for nine mobile. This is the transfer. This is transfer code, airtime transfer code. Then for Glow, this is one for Glow. You can actually just go on Google and search for that. That will be very easy. But I'm going to just walk you through the MTN. Then for this for Glow, then reminded that anytime you load your airtime for MTN, you'll be credited with 90%. This means that if you load an airtime of like 100,000 naira, so you only be credited with 90,000. Or okay, let's say you load the airtime of 1,000 naira. As you can see here, if you load airtime of 1,000 naira, you only be credited with 900 naira. So the website is going to take 10% of it. But for Glow, it's going to be 80%. As you can see here, 80%. For Nine Mobile, it's going to be 75%. All right. So that being done, now, you must not send any amount different from the amount field. So this is what I'm going to do. And one other thing, please do not send VTU airtime. It should not be VTU airtime. It should be airtime with PIN. So please be reminded, okay, or airtime with PIN, or the one you mistakenly loaded from your bank. So it should not be VTU airtime. Probably you get it from VTU, like get it from this platform. No, it should not work. Like maybe you get it from a VTU platform, they don't require to cash, it won't work. But if it's from bank or if you bought it as a PIN, like a physical recharge card, then it's going to work. All you have to do is to fill out this form. So you select your network. For example, I select MTN network, and I want to the airtime I want to item I want to convert is 5,000 naira. It can be anything from 500, it can be 2,000 naira, and it can be anything 500. So I'm going to just put 500 naira. Then you're going to put the number you're going to send it from, probably your number or your client number, anybody's number that you want to get the number, the airtime from. So you're going to put it here. Then you click on I agree. Then you click on submit. So immediately you click on submit, you're going to have something like this. So this is the number they are going to send the MTN card to. You know I'm using MTN for instance. If it's Glow too, so this is the number I'm going to send it to. So for MTN, I just have to come here and put this here, star 777 on my phone, on the MTN number that the airtime is on my phone. For example, my phone. So star 777 star this number. This number here is 070. This number is going to change, so yours may be different. It's going to change regularly. All right, so they're going to give you a number, then you put that number, then star the amount. So the amount you are sending here, for example, is 5,000 naira. Please make sure that the amount you are putting here is the same thing with this amount here. Are we together? Then immediately you press that, you're able to put in your pin. As you can see, star pin hash and send OK. Automatically within 5 minutes at most, maximum 5 minutes, this your wallet will be loaded with the amount of 4,500. So if I should get this now, and immediately now, this the beautiful thing is that immediately you load it, this website is going to receive it, and it in your wallet, it's going to increase on your wallet automatically. So but now I'm not going to do that actually, but I'm going to show you that I've done it. Yes, I've done it, and as you can see that now if you look at this one down here, one of the airtime I converted. So from 5,000 naira, I converted it from 5,000 naira. So this my wallet was already with 4,500 naira. So then you just come straight. Immediately you see it, your wallet will be loaded to increase with the amount, with the 90% of the amount. Then just come to okay, come straight to my account. Click on my account here. Then swap down to withdraw fund. So click on withdraw fund. Okay, then now you can decide to put this in another bank, because immediately you are registering on this platform. So you are going to your bank is going to be included on the platform. They will ask for it to be included, but maybe you want to send to another bank. You just click here, put the bank you want to select in, and then you are good to go. Now note this: the minimum you can actually withdraw, the minimum is 3,500. That is the minimum you can withdraw. Means that you can withdraw 3,500 and above. So anything less than 3,500, you won't be able to withdraw it. So 3,500, like 4,500, you can keep withdrawing that. Hope you get it. And there'll be a bank charges of 50 naira. All right, ladies and gentlemen, then you put on the amount and you click on withdraw fund. All right, so this one I did this some days ago. As you can see, I actually withdraw 3,550 now, bank charges included, into my account, and I send it to somebody else. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that is the very easiest way. step by step way on how you can convert your airtime to cash. Please, if you have any question, please in the comment box below, and please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, please, and share with your friend. Also like. So I look forward to read your comment. Thank you so much. I'm Danade Oboye. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.